Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. I'm Marilyn and my channel is Making with Marilyn. Now I do all things crafty, but on today's video I'm going to unbox a tumbler press that I got for Christmas. Now originally I had planned on getting one that had a lot of different attachments online, but they were sold out. And so I found this one. I put it on my Christmas wish list on Amazon and my husband got it for me. So what I'll do on today's video is I'll go ahead and unbox it and try it for the first time. That way you can see if it works well or not. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do that. And then tap that bell and select the all notifications so that YouTube lets you know anytime I upload new content. I'm going to go ahead and open the box. I'll test this out. If I think it works well, I'll link to it. If it doesn't work well, then I won't. All right, so here's the actual press. It looks like it's pretty much put together. And then there's a list of common problems and the solutions. And then I got two little extra somethings. Maybe they're little light bulbs for your LCD display. I'm not sure. But for now, I'm going to put that aside. And then the cord, let me figure out where to plug that in. The first thing that I want to do before I turn this on is check the pressure. I'm going to put a tumbler inside, and then I'm going to see how snug this is. And it is very snug. Now, I've seen people's videos where they have it so tight they actually bend the tumbler, and I want to make sure I don't do that. Really, I feel like if there's a little pressure to push your paper up against your tumbler, that's probably enough. So once again, I'm going to check it. Then I'm going to loosen the two screws on the back. They have knobs on them, and they add pressure or take pressure off. Then I looked at both ends just to make sure there really is good contact. I did tighten up this left one. So the on-off switch for this is right here. So I'm just going to press that up. Now I'm going to look and see what the temperature is set at. So I press that once, it's at 350. So I'm going to press the up arrow until that gets to 385. Then I can press it again and adjust the time. And I'm going to leave it at 35 seconds. Once I'm happy, I press the set button and hold it in. Now this heated up really quickly. What happens is it gets up to temperature, it goes a little bit past it, and then the thermostat shuts the heating element off, so it falls back down to temperature. Once it hits the low temperature, it goes right back up, and it just keeps cycling through that. I'm going to put a piece of blowout paper around my cup. Here's my seam. So on this one, I have the seam straight up. I'll go ahead and close this. Notice that the seconds start counting down on their own. So I'm going to let this go to 35 seconds. I'll open the press. I'll turn the cup a little bit, and then I'll put it back in for 25 more seconds. Now it's just been a couple minutes and this is still really too hot to handle just with my bare hand. So I'll hold on to it with my left gloved hand and then peel up the tape with my right. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Okay, I can handle it. Now I see a little bit of white right there. That was just some paper on it. That is gorgeous. Let me go ahead and turn that so you can see that top. What you see shining is really just the top of the tumbler. That is so clear. It is crystal clear, very vibrant. I am really excited to make more. So I'm going to go ahead and make a couple more and I'll show them to you at the end. Here's the ones that I've made. Now here's the first one that I did. I showed you that earlier. And then I made this one. That is so beautiful. And then the last one that I have is right here. I thought that was just a super cute image. Now I am in love with the way these colors turn out. They're more vibrant, more crisp than when I just wrapped those and did them in a convection oven. If that works perfectly for you, then stay with it. But if you have problems with your cups, you feel like they're just not as vibrant as they should be, or they're not as clear as they should be, you might consider getting a tumbler press. I think this one did a great job, and if you're in the market for this type of press, I'll put a link to this one in the video description below. Thanks so much for joining me and sticking it out all the way till the end. Until my next video, bye-bye.